Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Esrifa. So today's video is gonna be kinda interesting. It's about science, okay? We're gonna be seeing about autotrophs and heterotrophs. Well, stay tuned to my channel for more informative videos. Okay, the word autotroph means it is similar to the word producer. It takes natural substances from the earth and it makes its own food by natural substances found on earth. It makes its own food, and the same way heterotrophs cannot make its own food. Heterotrophs depend on autotrophs for food. Okay, let's see the next slide. Okay, autotroph versus heterotrophs. Autotrophs can make their own food, but heterotrophs cannot make their own food. Okay, heterotrophs must obtain energy from outside sources. As I said before, it must obtain energy from the outer sources like autotrophs autotrophs include plants, some protists, and some bacteria. Heterotrophs include some animals, fungi, and some bacteria. Okay, the heterotrophs depend on autotrophs for food, and autotrophs depend on nature for food. Okay, this is something. Okay, we're gonna see more deeper on heterotrophs. Heterotrophic organisms like fungi must ingest or absorb nutrients from the environment. See, okay, you use the word heterotroph when you compare it with autotroph, or when you compare it with another word. Okay, you use the word heterotrophic when you explain it, or when you add a word depending on it. It's like heterotrophic organisms. Okay, you use heterotrophic with these kind of words. As I said before, heterotrophic organisms must ingest nutrients from the environment. Ingest is nothing but intake. It must eat nutrients from the environment, which is nothing but this autotrophs. Okay, the next slide. Examples of heterotrophs are paramecium and some squirrels. This is some frog. So this is how the structure of heterotrophs. This is the structure of heterotrophs. This is sila, the outer hairy part, and the inside part is contraviral fructose, and the stem and the fish-like thing is called the gullet, and the scales like inside is called aureole grove, and these and the line things on the top are food particles, and the ball-like things are food vocals. So let's see the next slide. Okay, heterotrophic is divided into three parts: holozoic nutrition, saprophytism, and parasitism. Okay, we'll see about holozoic nutrition. The organism feeds by ingesting soil. Okay, the organism feed by ingesting solid. Okay, this is the organism feed by ingesting solid. Okay, the organism feed by ingesting solid organic matter, which is then digested and absorbed into their bodies. This says that this says nothing but this organism is fed by ingesting solid. Okay, it's been fed by ingesting solid organic matter, which is digested then and absorbed into their bodies. Okay, examples: humans, animals, and insectivorous plants. Insectivorous plants are carnivorous plants like Venus flytrap. Okay, we're going to move on to saprophytism. Saprophytes feed on dead and decaying matter. Okay, this says that this saprophytism, it eats the dead and decaying matter. Okay, this feeds on that. It just eats dead and decaying matter. The next point, include bacteria and fungi which digest the food eternally before the nutrients are absorbed. Okay, this says that this include bacteria and fungi which digest the food externally before the nutrients are absorbed. Okay, we are going to move on to parasitism. Obtains nutrients from living organism. This parasitism obtains nutrients from living organism. This is also called parasites. It's like fleas, lice, and tapeworms. Okay, the parasite obtains nutrients by living on or in the body of host. See, it's like lice on your head, and it's like bacteria on your body, and it's like a bacteria or a fly inside your body. It feeds on it. Example, fleas, lice, and tapeworms. Yeah, and we are done. We are done learning about autotrophs and heterotrophs. Okay, if you like the video and if you have it more interesting, share it to your friends and everyone. If you like the video most, subscribe the channel for more informative videos and click on the bell icon. Don't forget to like the video. Bye guys.